In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download NBA League Pass app on Android. This process will help you access live games, scores, and more, all from the convenience of your device. Follow along closely as I break down each step for you. First, you will need to open the Google Play Store on your Android device. This is the platform where you can download apps safely and securely. Once you find the icon, tap on it. The Google Play Store will load, displaying a variety of applications and games that you can explore. This is an important step as having access to the Play Store ensures that you are downloading the official app without any risks. Next, in the search bar at the top, type in NBA Live Games and Scores. This is the app that you need to download to access NBA League Pass. As you type, suggestions may pop up below the search bar. Look for the correct app title in the list. This step is crucial because downloading the right app ensures you have the latest features and updates directly from the NBA. Once you see NBA Live Games and Scores by NBA Properties Inc., tap on it. This action will take you to the app's page where you can learn more about its features. Here you will see screenshots, ratings, and user reviews. This matters because it helps you confirm that you are downloading the correct app designed for all your basketball needs. Now, look for the Install button and tap on it. This will initiate the download process. You will see a progress bar indicating the download status. Patience is key here, as this step may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Once the app is installed, you will receive a notification confirming that it has been successfully downloaded. After the app is downloaded, tap Open to launch it. This will bring you into the NBA Live Games and Scores app for the first time. You might see an introduction screen that gives you an overview of the app's features. This step is exciting because it opens the door to all the live games and scores at your fingertips. Next, you will need to sign in with your NBA ID. If you don't have an account, you will have the option to create one. Follow the prompts to enter your information. This is an essential step because it personalizes your experience and allows you to access your favorite teams and games. Remember, creating an account is quick and easy, so don't worry if you are new to this. Once you are signed in, look for the League Pass option within the app. This is where the magic happens. Tap on League Pass to view your subscription options. If you already have an NBA League Pass subscription, simply sign in. This is important because it ensures that you will have access to all the exclusive content, including live games and replays. Finally, if you are subscribing for the first time, follow the prompts to complete your subscription. You will likely be asked to confirm your payment details. Once this is done, you will be all set to enjoy NBA games right from your Android device. You can now explore the app and dive into the world of basketball. Thank you for following along. Enjoy watching your favorite teams and games.